This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs for ramen. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, a small pot, and a slotted spoon. Fill the pot with about 3 inches of water, ensuring it's deep enough to cover an egg. Add a small splash of white vinegar to the water. This helps the egg whites set beautifully. Get ready for a simple, delicious addition to your next ramen bowl. Now, let's get poaching. Bring your water to a gentle simmer. You want small bubbles, not a vigorous boil. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This step helps maintain the egg's shape. Gently slide each egg into the simmering water. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk, or longer for a firmer one. You're almost there. Once your eggs are perfectly poached, it's time to serve them. Carefully remove each egg from the water using your slotted spoon. Gently dab any excess water on a paper towel to avoid diluting your ramen broth. Then, simply place the warm, soft-yolked egg directly into your prepared ramen bowl. This adds a rich, creamy texture that elevates any ramen dish. For truly perfect poached eggs, always use the freshest eggs you can find. They hold their shape much better. A little trick is to gently swirl the water just before adding the egg, which helps the white wrap around the yolk. This technique creates a beautifully compact poached egg. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your upgraded ramen experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.